Hey YouTube, we're going to make a video using this Miele fully automatic, super automatic espresso machine. It's really cool. We got some organic milk here. We're going to froth this up. Here we go. So you put it under the cappuccino thing. Gotta get it under here. Then you get the rubber hose. Put the hose in there. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but get the idea. Get that in there. And we're going to do milk froth. I find if you froth it twice, it comes out better. So there we go. All automatic. Got the milk frothing. See, it's frothing up. Getting hot. Alright. Please clean the capputore, whatever. Now we're going to make our espresso. So, take our dirty espresso cup here, like so. And we're going to select espresso. Grind in the coffee beans. Hey, we're grinding coffee beans. Pre-brewing the ground coffee. Pretty soon we're gonna have some espresso. There we go. That espresso. We are using 8 o'clock dark Italian espresso. Okay, there's our espresso. And we are now ready to make our drink. Okay, telling you the water's out now. Little tripod set up here. There's all the frothed milk. And there you have it. Nice espresso cappuccino for you. Espresso. Can't be beat. I'm getting on my mustache. But anyway. That's the Miele fully automatic espresso. Thanks, guys.